Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video, an informational video, and I'm going to send it out there for you just as hopefully a reminder, a motivation, something. I know this has been a trying time with the coronavirus and the extended break, but you guys had the advantage because you were already online. You knew how to do distance learning and you did a great job of it. And I know this has turned our world upside down, but the end of the second grading period is Thursday. And everything through 3.05 is on that second 6 weeks grading period. What I'm going to open for you Monday is the third 6 weeks grading period. So if you look at, I've adjusted what we had to do in the second 6 weeks when we had the extended, the 2 weeks after spring break. I took a lot of work out. And just to give you an idea, the first 6 weeks, you had 37 grades in the grade book. This second 6 weeks, you only have 18. And I don't have one student who's completed everything. Not one. I have some that only are missing the last quiz, but nobody has totally completed it. And if you don't attempt some part of that serial project, it is not hard at all. Not at all. Even if you just do the first part, the part one, the develop the plan, if you just do that, that's going to help your grade. Just do part 1 and 2. Some of you you're thinking it's going to take a lot of time. It's not. I've had people tell me I'm going to start today and turn it in tomorrow. They draw a picture of their box on paper, they take a picture of it, send it to me on Remind. They fill out those, the different parts. They write a commercial script. Some people do a quick video, and that's their commercial. It's not that hard. And some of you guys are just looking at it and thinking, I can't do that. I don't have time for that. Grade-wise, you're going to have to make some time for that. At least do parts 1 and 2. At least. And it's going to be crucial that you get that done this week. Like I said, I'm going to open 4.01 to start the third 6 weeks, the last 6 weeks, on Monday. But everything through 3.05 is going to be going on this next reporting period, which ends Thursday. That's the end of grade. So I'm really, really concerned and not sure how to help you because I've had a few people reach out to me, especially with the serial project, ask me questions. Yes, you can work with partners. I've had 2 or 3 work with partners. They divide and conquer. That could be helpful. So, don't be afraid to reach out to me, but especially my seniors. Most of you seniors have to have this to graduate this year. So we don't want it to fall. I am here for you. I know you can do this. I know you don't want to do this. I know it's a time where everybody's at home and it feels like a extra spring break, or maybe it's a stressful time for you. Maybe your parents are out of work, like my husband is out of work, and it's a really hard, stressful time, but we got to keep on keeping on. We got to do it, and I know you can do it. I need you to do it for you, for your high school career. I need you to take that and be motivated enough to do this, okay? So everything from 301 to 305 is the second 6 weeks. 18 grades. That's all it is. 18 grades. 5 of those are the serial project. 5. You can do this. You can do this. I need you to do this. So hit me up on Remind. Email me. I've tried to get in touch with some of you. And I've called home and can't get people. Left my home number for you to call back. So I'm trying to reach you. And I need you to reach back out to me if you need me, okay? You guys are awesome. You guys are really awesome. You can do this. 18 grades. That's all it is. You can do it. You can do it. Okay? And then we'll be on the last 6 weeks, and we're going to make our way through that as well. So just hang in there. Get that 301 through 305 done as quickly as you can. Call me, email me, hit me up on Remind if you have any questions. I'll talk to you guys soon.